This is the only Lotus Esprit in the world that actually goes in the water.
It's a boat?
Wow, look at this thing. It's a good take on a modern classic.
So many cars in so little time. CafeandOctane.com has got you covered if you can't be here.
These Impala wagons are just one of my favorites. Just one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And they're so wide too, you know, you got lots of room. Oh, absolutely. I put my kids in here, I put my doggy in here. Oh, look at all that room.
There's so many cars at a Cafe and Octane event, you'd have to be an uber-fast Lamborghini race driver like Ryan Hardwick to see them all.
This week, I'm really looking for some performance cars. I love racing, obviously, so I grew up racing dirt bikes and then into jet skis and then now finally into cars. And having anything stock, quite frankly, isn't that much fun. So I grew up modifying everything that I could get my hands on, and I'd like to try to track down something like that. This thing, LS3 engine, a deep dish on the wheels, the suspension, ride height is perfect. Somebody really spent some time with this car. It's a good take on a modern classic. Hey, I'm Ryan.
Joe, nice to meet you.
Hey, Joe.
Pleasure.
What an amazing car, man. You built this?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Tell me a little about it.
It's a 66 Corvette, resto mod, full tube chassis, lowered the floors, flared fenders.
Man, the engine bay is just beautiful.
Thank
I mean,
you.
super, super clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of attention to detail.
6 years.
6 years, wow. I can see it.
Took me 80 hours just to bring the bumpers in a 1/4 inch.
Wow, 80 hours
Yeah, just
for
to
a
do that.
1/4 inch.
For a 1/4 inch.
That's what separates, you know, really, really good builds from guys that rush the process.
Or insanity.
Right? Insanity, that's true, that's true. I hear you there. The stance on the car is unbelievable.
Thank you.
I mean, absolutely unbelievable.
I think that was the most important thing to me.
You can tell.
That was,
finished
it had
product.
to sit right, otherwise it wasn't worth it.
I bet it's a blast to drive, too.
It's fun.
That's a lot of horsepower in a pretty small chassis.
It makes about 5 1/4.
Oh,
So it goes.
That's awesome.
A lot of fun. A lot of fun.
That is awesome. Hey, man, well, congratulations
Thanks,
on the car.
Thanks for having me, man. It was
Beautiful
excellent.
car, man.
Thank
Beautiful
you,
car.
thank you.
It's pretty wild, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the only one we'll see, right?
Yeah, I never seen one before. I saw it in the movie. It's nice. Wait, so this is really a boat? This a boat?
Yes, it is. It was actually made from a real Lotus Esprit.
This the one that was in the movie?
No, that one was sold to Elon Musk for a mere $1 million. But even that is not operational in the water. This is the only Lotus Esprit in the world that actually goes in the water. A designer in England took a real Lotus Esprit, he put the fins on the side, he sealed the bottom of it, the slats on the windows, the periscope, a revolving license tag in the back, and put a boat motor in it. This is a real boat. And I've had it at Lake Lanier about 10 times.
And it still didn't sink.
No, it leaks a little bit, but I've solved most of the leaks. There's a lot more fun when it's not leaking.
Right. Look at that. That's from James Bond too, ain't it?
It was.
It's Jaguar. There's a Spy Who Loved Me. That was the Spy Who Shagged Me,
That's
right?
correct. And this is a 67 Jaguar. I've had that 44 years, paid the outrageous price of $3,000 for it.
What?
But I paid the $3,000 because mine has air conditioning. And I've probably got 200,000 miles on this car.
On this car?
I do.
And it looks that good?
Well, I make an effort to keep it going.
That is nice, dude. Congratulations on your collection. I like
thank
your
you.
collection. Hopefully that'll stay on top of the water now.
That's the mission.
Take care.